today's class. Yes, in the second unit we have completed aerating and beheading. Today let us go with the series. The name is VVS Lakshman, very special. Dear students, did you type anything with the name VVS Lakshman? Yes, he is one of the most famous sports personality, and which game he plays? Your favorite game? Cricket. Yes, what is his name? VVS Lakshman. Now let us get into the lesson. And here this is an interview. This is an interview. Now let us start. VVS Lakshman, very special. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing constantly in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells V.V. Subramaniam, one of the finest players in contemporary cricket, has called it a day for someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with a below for 16 long years in Test cricket. Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad. Ahead of the two Test series against New Zealand, the 37-year-old star batsman, who was part of the Fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team, shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sportstar. Sportstar asks a question. When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? Then VVS Lakshman answers. It has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Syed Moin Zaki from the under-16 level itself. They made us play in the under-19 cricket the same year. It was a huge leap for us and very encouraging. Fortunately, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 60 long years of international cricket. It has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. Next question has been asked by the sportsman. Who has been the biggest influence on you? Then VVS answers. My parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhaman. No doubt about that, especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family, but the driving philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. Now here students. So here it is, treat success and failure on the same wavelength. So what is the meaning of treat success and failure in the same wavelength? That means to say that we are supposed to be constant whether we win or lose. So here it means to say that always we should be very confident despite of any difficulties or despite of different kind of situations. And success and failure are parts of anybody's life. So everybody should know that success and failure both are very integral part of everybody's life, because nobody's life always success and nobody's life always failure. So the success and failure will go hand in hand. So everybody should know that and should be constant and also confident. So here it is. What is the main who can be in this and who can have such feelings? That it is the key is self-belief and performing constantly in tough conditions. So here it is that who will understand that treat success and failure on the same wavelength. The people, those who believe in self-belief, but always they are very self-confident, and as well performing constantly. Here we need to say that always they keep on doing their work. They never stop, whether they win or defeat. So this has been told by VVS Lakshman. So when during the interview with V.V. Subramaniam. So one of the finest players in contemporary cricket, Ranjit Trophy at that time. Yes, time, so he was what did he say? He said he was one of the finest players in the cricket. There are many good players in our cricket team. So that in those days, even that V.V.S. Lakshman was one of the good players in our Indian cricket team. For someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with a below for 16 long years in Test cricket. So here it is. And what is the special here is in the cricket? Some players are very good at bat with good batsmen, and some are very good at ball. That means good balls. Yes. So here it is that coming to V.V.S. Lakshman. So he is very good at his brilliance with a below for 16 long years. That means to say that he is a good batsman. He is a good batsman. And how many years career that we are doing in cricket? 16 long years in Test cricket. And what is the full name of V.V.S. Lakshman? V.V.S. Lakshman is Bangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman. What is the full name of V.V.S. Lakshman? Bangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman. So, how many years old? 37 years old. So, here it is. He had announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad. So, in Hyderabad, in front of the media, he announced his retirement. And by that time, there was a 2 Test series against New Zealand. And what was his age? 37 years old. When he was 37 years old. Who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the number 1 Test team. So that now India has become number 1 Test team. Test cricket team. Yes. So to make India number 1, even this V.V.S. Lakshman has also a lion's share in this. Yes. He had put all his effort and determination, dedication in order to make Indian cricket team as a number 1 position. And shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sports Star. So the reality is what happened in Hyderabad during the media conference, he announced his retirement. And here is why most of the fans, he had many fans, they were very delighted. They were very delighted for why were they delighted? Here please you will come to know that because they are the fans of V.V.S. Lakshman who had happened to match him. So that they were so most of the Indian cricket lovers, they are very happy seeing V.V.S. Lakshman in the Test match. And here it is an interview. It is SS means Sports Star and V.V.S. means V.V.S. Lakshman. So here it is. Sports Star, he asked me one first question. When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? So when the Sports Star asked him, what was your experience in his cricket career? V.V.S. Lakshman said that it has been wonderful. He said that it is really, it has been very wonderful. And also, I was very lucky to be a part of Hyderabad Cricket Association because they promoted Jackie. So they promoted Jackie and V.V.S. Lakshman. First they promoted both of them under 16 level, and then meanwhile they had to be promoted for under 19 level as well. Back to back they got a good opportunity. This Jackie and V.V.S. Lakshman. First they had promoted to 16 under 16, and as well with their good performance they also been promoted. They also had been promoted for under 19 level. And when V.V.S. Lakshman was 18 years old, he had been given an opportunity to play in Ranji Trophy for Hyderabad. So when he changed when he was 18 years old only, he had played for Hyderabad Ranji Trophy. Really that was his great and the most memorable incident in his life. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. So that honestly meant nothing but he told that really I'm very happy to say that only because of my discipline, his determination and commitment, only these three traits had made him in this great position as a cricket sports star. And as well, what is like that? An immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. So that the top of it, he was feeling very happy that even he was also one of the part and parcel of Indian cricket team and to make India #1 cricket team. And next question has been asked by sports star is, who has been the biggest influence on you? The sports star have asked him that, who was your great influence? Then what previous Lakshman said? Yes, obviously his parents. He said that, obviously my parents. There was no doubt at all. Who were their parents? Dr. V. Shantaram, his father, and Dr. V. Satyabama, his mother. You might understand both were doctors. Both were doctors. So that what is said that especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family, because all my family members they had been started their career like doctors and other, but whereas in my case I alone had been chosen for sports. And but the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. So both were doctors. Generally in every family, the parents were doctors, they expect their children also be a doctor. If they were engineers, they expect as engineer. But whereas in the case of previous Lakshman, though both the parents were doctors, they did not insist Lakshman to go for doctor or some other education career itself, some other formal academic career itself. So what did they, as having found previous Lakshman was interested in the sports, they encouraged him. And also, what did they teach him? They had taught him that only they had taught one philosophy, that handling success and failure with equal ease. They just taught previous Lakshman that, my dear son, whatever the career you have been chosen, you go for it. But dear son, you must remember in your life that you should handle success and failure with the same constancy and with the same confidence. Only that had been taught by his parents. So that previous Lakshman, he feels very proud to have such encouraging parents and also being a long support for his interested career. So dear students, this is all about today's class, and we will continue this